So here's how to import all bank transactions in QuickBooks online. First of all, open up your browser and search for QuickBooks. Then, click on the first link on the results. After that, you need to log into your QuickBooks account or buy a subscription. So once you log into your QuickBooks account, you will get to see an interface similar to this. And once you're in the dashboard, what you need to do is go over to the left panel and click on Transactions. So here, once you're in the Bank Transactions section, click on Upload Transactions. Now, you can import bank transactions. To manually upload your transactions, you need to follow these steps. After going through all these steps, just drag and drop your bank statement. Or you can also bring in your transactions automatically by selecting your bank. And after you're done, just click on Continue. And that is how you can import all your bank transactions in QuickBooks online.